Welcome to my live. Today, I am doing my live by candlelight because I'm going to talk to you about the Lots of Love Charitable Partner Program that Chalk Couture has partnered with. All over the world, there are people who are out of power. They've never had power. They use kerosene to either heat or light their homes. They're in extreme poverty. And our Lots of Love program provides solar lamps so that they have less burns and asthma and breathing problems that they have using kerosene lamps in their home, and they're able to use something cleaner and safer. So we're going to work the Lots of Love transfer tonight by candlelight, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about okay, hold on, it's not letting me go to my screen. Real quick. So Malawi, Africa is a village that we have been traveling to and from and meeting with the people. I have not been able to go yet, but I would like to earn my way to go. But they are one of the villages that we are helping in this program. And I have not seen it firsthand, but it has made such a difference to the people there to have this. Just think about it. Think about back in the U.S. before electricity and how people didn't have indoor plumbing and they had to go outside of their home to use an outhouse or something at night. Maybe a windy night, maybe a scary night, spooky night, and all they had was a lantern to go with, and it didn't light very much. So this is something that is a handheld solar light. It's like a square that fits in the palm of your hand. You can direct it in the direction of where you're going so that you can see well. And that is what our charitable donations go towards. So let's go ahead and get started on our transfer. I'm working on the 9x12 Sylvie board. And the Lots of Love transfer, if you purchase this one is Kindness Matters. It's a really good statement for what we are going through in our world right now. Kindness matters. So we're going to go ahead and peel this off the backer sheet and put it onto our chalkboard. So every year, a couple times a year, we have fundraisers for our Lots of Love program. If you buy this transfer, the money goes towards the Lots of Love. So it will buy solar lights. We also have on my website on Chalk Couture /Beth Missler, you can go to the Lots of Love category in shopping, and you can decide if you want to donate $1 all the way up to $50, I believe they have on there. If you would rather not get the transfer and you would want to do it this other way, you may. So I think this is a really good statement, and I want to make this board to put in my classroom, or at least behind me if we go back to school and we are distance learning. So I'm just going to go, I'm going to use the white Chalkology paste, and I want to kind of do this quick because I have an element to it that I'm going to add on in the end. Go back to the screen so I can see here. If you jump on, say hello in the comments. Oops. You can go any direction. There's multiple ways to apply the chalk paste to your silk screen. Transfer. All right, I'm ready to scrape off excess here. All right, and then I'm going to show you a little trick I learned. I might have a bubble here. Make sure. Okay. All right, there's that. Now, I'm going to take the transfer off. Hi, Karen. All right, I'm peeling off my transfer, and then while this chalk paste, I'm going to stick my transfer in my cool bath water here. I got a dish pan with cold water so that I can wash off that transfer so I can use it again. But I'm going to, real quick, while this chalk paste is wet, I'm going to put some glitter on. Did you know that glitter, while the chalk paste is still wet, that the glitter sticks to the chalk paste? All right, that's not enough. Let me get my glitter brush. I just want to, I'm going to sweep off this glitter into my bath water here. Okay. Tap on the side here. That is going to be really hard for you to see. I can see it. It's going to be really hard for you to see. Real quick touch up. I got some chalk paste here. I just want to wipe that off of my frame. And I see a little, let me grab a paintbrush. You grab a paintbrush, like a flat paintbrush, has the flat bristles. You can use that to touch up without messing up what you just did. So let me get that going here. Just have one little smudge. Okay. All right, let me turn it around. Hold it near my candlelight. Can you see the glistening chalk paste? I did like a glitter that is translucent. It was kind of whitish, kind of clear, but it had sparkles in it too, so really cool. So let me tell you a little bit more about Lots of Love. So Chalk Couture is a growing, powerful army of passionate individuals. We have great ability and the responsibility to do good while we're doing well. Aligning with a charity that shares our values is an important part of our mission to make home a happy masterpiece. Lots of Love delivers solar lights plus micro, business, and resource training to areas of the world that face extreme poverty. In these areas, most homes are lit by dangerous kerosene lamps and often cause burns, asthma, and other breathing ailments. Today, more than 1 billion people live without electricity. So when the sun goes down, the workday and study day end. Through an innovative, affordable, renewable solar lighting, Lots of Love is able to turn dark to light, illuminating the need for kerosene fuel, which can increase a family's income by 30%. Lots of Love teaches light recipients how to use the reclaimed income to invest in new resources, such as buying an animal, starting a business, sending their children to school. All of this breaks the chain of poverty that is transforming lives, one family, one home at a time. To learn more about this extraordinary organization, visit lotsoflove.org. And if you'd like to know how you can help today, you can go to chalkcouture.com/Beth Missler And while shopping, click on the Watts of Love option. Go into that. There are donations that go right to this that you can click on and put in what dollar amount. You can also buy this beautiful transfer. I believe this one is available for purchase. There's also surfaces and chalk paste colors and things that you can pick from as well. It's a very good statement in a time in our communities right now when this kind of a statement is needed to be seen. Sometimes it isn't being heard. So this is a good thing. It is going into my classroom if we go back to face-to-face teaching. I want my students to be able to see this message on a daily basis. Thank you so much for watching. If you're watching this video on the replay, just type in the comments replay. If you are interested in being a customer of Chalk Couture, just type in the comments join, and I will add you to my VIP group, which is where all my customers gather. If you're interested in the business part of Chalk Couture, you can type in the comments. I'm doing all my things wrong. Okay, hold on. To join the customer group, just comment add me. If you're interested in the business part of Chalk Couture, comment join, and I will send you a link so you can check it out. All right, before I flub up what I'm supposed to say next, you have a great Wednesday evening, and I will see you again here on Friday at 7 p.m. live. Thanks. Bye.